Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Avoria, an online brand that claims to sell comfort-focused women's apparel, specifically shapewear designed to eliminate back bulges and visible bra lines. It sounds like a revolutionary solution for your wardrobe, but the real question is whether Avoria is a legitimate business or just another clever marketing trap. Stay tuned as we break down the facts so you don't end up regretting your next click. Let's start with the first major concern. The website was registered in 2025, making it less than a year old. It's so fresh it basically still has the digital equivalent of new car smell. Except in the world of e-commerce, that usually smells more like a looming disappearance. Very new websites have a habit of vanishing overnight, which is a massive red flag for anyone hoping to actually receive their order. Then we have the customer support situation, which is essentially a "don't call us, we won't call you" policy. Avoria only provides an email address for help. No phone number, no live chat, and no way to get a quick answer. Because nothing screams premium service like shouting into a digital void and hoping someone, somewhere, eventually decides to type back. Transparency is also non-existent here. The website offers zero information about who owns or operates the business, with no company background or founder details to be found. It's a total mystery. And in the world of online shopping, anonymity is rarely a sign of a high-quality operation. It's hard to trust a brand that treats its own identity like a classified government secret. To top it all off, there are absolutely no customer reviews to be found, whether on their own site or third-party platforms like Trustpilot. You're basically a pioneer in a desert, except instead of gold, you might just find a chargeback in your future. Without real feedback, there's no way to judge the quality or the delivery experience. When you piece it all together, the brand new domain, the lack of support, the hidden ownership, and the zero reviews, the picture becomes very clear. Avoria might not be a confirmed scam, but it's definitely a high-risk gamble. Proceed with extreme caution and maybe keep your credit card in your wallet for now. Thanks for watching, and if you want more honest reviews, don't forget to subscribe and stay informed.